Good morning students. Today I am going to start new chapter number 9, soil. In this chapter we will discuss about the soil profile, about the different type of soil and about the properties of soil. So let's start our chapter. Student, soil is one of the most important natural resources because it supports the growth of the plant by holding the roots firmly, and it also helps in the supplying water and nutrition. It is a home for many organisms, many bacteria, fungi, insect, earthworm. They live in the soil. So it is home for many organisms also. And soil is essential for the agriculture, and agriculture provides us food, clothing, and shelter. So we can say soil is the most essential part of our life. सोइल जो है वो हमारी लाइफ का एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है. स्टूडेंट, सॉइल इज़ मेड अप ऑफ डिफरेंट लेयर्स. सॉइल जो होती है उसमें डिफरेंट लेयर्स होती हैं. फॉर अंडरस्टैंड दिस यू कैन डू एक्टिविटी. बाय दिस एक्टिविटी you can understand it clearly. So for this activity you have to take lumps of soil and you put it in the glass which is already filled from water. So when you put the soil in the water and if you put aside it for some time you will see a several layers in the glass. जब आप इसमें मिट्टी डालोगे, इसको हिलाओगे और जब आप इसको थोड़ी देर के लिए साइड में रख दोगे तो आफ्टर सम टाइम यू विल सी दैट देर आर मैनी लेयर्स फाउंड इन द ग्लास. सो द बॉटम लेयर इज मेड अप ऑफ small stones that is known as gravel. Above this the layer is found that is sand, and the sand particles are much smaller than the gravel. Next is a layer of very small fine particles that is known as clay, and the clay particles are so small that you cannot see them separately. And on the top layer you see the layer of humus, and humus is a very good for the growing parts because humus makes the soil fertile, or we can say it is good for the growth of the plant. And the rotting dead matter in the soil is known as humus. So how this soil is formed? जो हमने soil की बात करी वो बनती कैसे है? So the formation of soil is a very slow process and it takes many years to make it. And soil is formed by the breaking down of rocks into small particles due to the action of the wind, water and climate. And this process is known as weathering. Clear student? What is weathering? Weathering is a process by breaking down of rocks into small particles due to the action of the wind, water and climate. This process is known as weathering. So student, the nature of the soil is also depend upon the rocks from which it has been formed and the type of vegetation that grows in it. Soil की जो nature है वो depend करेगा कौन सी rock से ये बनते हैं और वहाँ पे किस type की vegetation है जो grow करती है. So if we see a vertical section of a soil, there are different layer and that is known as soil profile. So student, what is soil profile? The different layers of soil which are visible when a vertical section is cut. जब आप soil का vertical section cut करोगे तो आप उसमें बहुत सारी layers देखते हो and this is known as soil profile. And every soil is different in the texture, in a color, in a depth and in a chemical composition. And these layers are referred to us as a horizon. Clear student? जो आप जब सेक्शन कट करोगे सॉइल का तो जो डिफरेंट पार्ट दिखाई देते हैं वो किस नाम से जाने जाते हैं? दे आर नोन एज अ हॉरिजॉन. सो स्टूडेंट, द अपर मोस्ट हॉरिजॉन इज जनरली डार्क इन कलर एंड इट इज़ रिच इन ह्यूमस. सबसे ऊपर वाला जो पार्ट होता है वो डार्क होता है और ये होता है ह्यूमस से बिल्कुल रिच. सो दैट इज़ गुड फॉर द ग्रोइंग क्रॉप्स. सो द ह्यूमस मेक्स द सॉइल फर्टाइल and it's provide nutrition to the growing plants. And this layer is generally soft, porous and it can retain more water. That's why it is known as topsoil, or we can say a horizon. And this layer, the horizon, is provide shelter for many living organisms such as worms, rodents, moles and beetles. And the root of the small plants are embedded entirely in the topsoil. The next layer that has a lesser amount of humus but it is more in a minerals. बी हॉरिजॉन जिसको हम बोलते हैं, इसमें मिनरल्स जो होते हैं वो बहुत सारे होते हैं. एंड दिस लेयर इज जनरली हार्डर एंड मोर कॉम्पैक्ट. कॉम्पैक्ट मीन्स वी कैन से इट इज़ अ मोर फ्रेम और मोर टाइट. So it is known as B horizon, or we can say it is a middle layer. The third layer that is known as C horizon, which is made up of small lumps of rock with cracks and crevices. And below the C horizon, the layer that is known as bedrock, which is hard and difficult to dig with a spade. सो लास्ट की जो सबसे नीचे की जो रॉक होती है उसको हम स्पैड से भी डिग नहीं कर सकते. सो दैट इज नोन एज बेड रॉक. सो इन अ सॉइल प्रोफाइल देयर इज अ हॉरिजॉन, बी हॉरिजॉन, सी हॉरिजॉन एंड द इनर मोस्ट लेयर इज नोन एज बेड रॉक. स्टूडेंट, आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज सॉइल टाइप्स. Student, you know that the mixture of the rock particles and humus is known as soil, and the soil is classified on the basis of the proportion. Proportion means the amount of particles of various size. So we can define the soil in three parts, that is sandy soil, clay soil and loamy soil. In the sandy soil, the soil has sand particles and it is known as sandy soil. We can say this soil which contain greater proportion of big particle, that is known as sandy soil. Next is clay soil. The soil that have large amount of clay particles in it, that is known as clay soil, and its water holding capacity is the highest among all soil. इट इज़ रिच इन मिनरल्स. क्ले सॉइल जो होती है उसमें वाटर को होल्ड करने की कैपेसिटी सबसे ज़्यादा होती है और इसमें जो होते हैं मिनरल्स भी सबसे ज़्यादा होते हैं. और सैंडी सॉइल में जो पार्टिकल्स होते हैं वो बिग पार्टिकल्स होते हैं. सैंड के बिग पार्टिकल्स होते हैं सैंडी सॉइल में. नेक्स्ट इज लोमी सॉइल. द सॉइल विद द मिक्सचर ऑफ ह्यूमस, सैंड एंड क्ले. क्लियर स्टूडेंट? लोमी सॉइल में ह्यूमस भी होगा, सैंड भी होगा, क्ले भी होगा. So the soil with a mixture of humus, sand and clay is called a loam, or we can say loamy soil. The loamy soil is the best soil for the growing plants. Why it is best? Because it has a good water holding capacity. जो लोमी सॉइल होती है इसमें वाटर होल्ड करने की बहुत अच्छी कैपेसिटी होती है एंड इट होल्ड्स इनफ एयर फॉर द रेस्पिरेशन ऑफ माइक्रोब्स, इंसेक्ट एंड रूट्स ऑफ द प्लांट. And it is also fit for the cultivation. Clear student? So अगर हम 3 टाइप्स की सॉइल की बात करें तो सबसे अच्छी जो सॉइल होती हैं वो होती हैं द बेस्ट टॉप सॉइल फॉर द ग्रोइंग प्लांट, दैट इज लोमी सॉइल. Clear student? And it is a mixture of sand, clay and another type of soil particles. So next part we will take in a next video.